Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gaurav. Welcome back to Taurus Tech, and in this video we have two amazing news, and one of them is actually a good news for Apple customers. So if you're an Apple loyal fan and an Apple consumer, there's actually a good news. So I would request you to wait till the end of the video to know what the good news is. And now without further ado, let's directly jump into the video. The first news that we have is related to Amazon Prime. So basically Amazon has discontinued anyone who are going to be signing up to its new Prime membership, and they have also stopped the 1 month subscription as well. In the place of 1 month subscription that was costing for 129, they are going to be starting a new subscription of 3 months that is going to be costing us 329 rupees, and there's always the yearly subscription that is 999 rupees. So basically there are only two plans that are going to be useful for Amazon Prime members, that is 329, that is 3 month pack, and 999 for a yearly subscription. The reason that the Amazon has discontinued people to sign up into a new Prime membership account is that RBI had passed a rule in April 2019 saying that they have to provide some extra authentication for payments that are recurring, because a lot of people who were signing up for Amazon used to take up the trial membership and then they used to give their cards details to make the payment. But RBI has made a new rule, and the deadline for that new rule is September 2021, and so Amazon has taken this into consideration and has stopped the trial membership. So the people who are now signing up into Prime have only two options, that is 3 months and a yearly subscription. So there's no free trial or monthly subscription that is going to be available for them. The second news we have is related to Apple, and Apple had made it evident that they're going to be launching the newer version of Apple AirPods, and they're also going to be launching the Apple Music Hi-Fi. Both of them are coming on the same day, but they've not told what day. Apple had made a post recently saying that they're going to be launching their products very soon, and a lot of the rumors suggest that they are going to be launching on May 18th, which is evidently a Tuesday, because if you see in the past, Apple only launches their products on Tuesdays, and May 18th seems to be the perfect date to launch the new AirPods and the Apple Music Hi-Fi. So the newer AirPods is going to be called either Apple AirPods 3 or Apple AirPods 2021. We're not sure what they're going to be called, but this is the two names that are evidently coming out, and rumors say that this is going to be called as AirPods 3. This AirPods 3 is rumored to have better noise cancellation than AirPods Pro. They are also supporting Dolby Atmos. Obviously, if it's AirPods, they are the highest specification of earbuds that are available in the market right now, but AirPods 3 is going to be much more sophisticated and much more better than the AirPods Pro that are in the market right now. As of now, there are no details related to pricing of how much the newer AirPods are going to be costing and how much they're coming out in the market. But not to miss any latest updates on tech, I request you to follow me on my Instagram. I've given all the links in the description, so just click on it and follow me on Instagram, and I'll make sure to let you know all the latest tech news related stuff. So yeah, this was all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please do not forget to leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here. My name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.